Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your Poly Voyager. And the first one is to use USB-C to USB-C cable to charging from your phone. If your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone. And the second one, at the left side of the charging case, we have this USB-C port, so connect it here. And we can see this LED light, so it means that it's charging. Now, the second one is to use an adapter and USB-C cable, what look like this. So just connect adapter to the power and USB-C cable to USB-C port. And we can also see this LED light, so it means that it's charging, of course. Also, these headphones support wireless charging, so we can use wireless charging station. We just put it there, and we also see this LED light. And reverse wireless charging from your phone, if your phone of course supports this technology. So just put it there, and we can also see a LED light. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!